As an internal sales rep, John is responsible for processing sales documents. Sometimes, this includes making changes to existing sales documents. With the Mass Change of Sales Documents app, SAP S/4HANA Cloud provides John with a single central entry point for changing sales documents quickly and efficiently. In the app, John can perform changes for different categories of sales documents such as sales orders, quotations, scheduling agreements, and more. In addition, John can check the processing status of his change jobs. Today, John needs to change payment terms in all sales orders for a particular customer. By adapting the filter options, John can quickly find the sales orders that he wants to change. Based on John's filter criteria, the system finds 45 sales orders. He selects all of them with a single click and opens the change options. The system dynamically adapts the available change options based on the selected sales document category. This means, for example, if John wants to change sales scheduling agreements, he will have different change options than for sales orders. For the sales order header data, John can reject multiple sales orders as well as set or remove blocks for multiple sales orders with a single click. To change the payment terms for the selected sales orders, he chooses the Change Header Data option. On the Change Header Data screen, John has direct access to all fields that can be changed. On the Terms and Conditions tab, John notices two warnings for Incoterms. The warnings indicate that the selected sales orders have different Incoterms and would need further investigation before changes can be made. But, for now, John focuses on the payment terms. He changes the payment term and submits the change. By confirming the job, John triggers the Mass Change request to run in the background. Returning to the Mass Change of Sales Documents app, John sees that his job has completed successfully. On the Job Details page, John sees that all 45 sales orders now contain the new payment term. While the change jobs are running in the background, John can use the Monitor Mass Changes of Sales Documents app to monitor the overall change job status for his sales team. Here, John sees that there are two errors in the Update Prices job. Looking at the job details, prices have been updated successfully for 26 sales orders. For 2 sales orders, the update has failed. John now realizes that when the job was triggered, one sales order was blocked by a colleague. Since the document is no longer locked, he repeats the change activity now. The sales document is changed immediately and is moved into the completed document section. Because the second sales document is still in approval, no changes are possible. Therefore, John decides to manually set it as completed. Once the approval process is completed, this sales order will be included in a future change job. The system clearly indicates when specific items were completed manually, which can be helpful for subsequent auditing purposes. So, with SAP S/4HANA Cloud's Mass Change of Sales Documents app, your sales office can easily manage mass change requests and monitor change statuses, ensuring correct and consistent sales document processing. We bet that your sales office will greatly benefit from the resulting increases in efficiency and productivity.